easy English listening story for beginners.
A camping trip with Liam and Dove.
Okay, Dove, let's make a plan. We need a good location for our tent.
I agree, Liam. We need a place that is beautiful and safe.
Look at the old oak tree. It is very cool and dark there. It feels like a real forest.
I don't think so. The ground there is uneven. It is not flat. We can't sleep well on a slope.
Oh, you're right. I forgot about that. Also, I saw a big anthill there yesterday.
Yes, I don't want ants in my sleeping bag. How about the area near the pond? It is a great place to see the sunrise.
That sounds good, but there are many mosquitoes near water. I don't want to be itchy all night.
You're right. Let's look at the map again. What about the hidden corner behind the bushes?
Is it flat?
Yes, it is flat and very quiet. It is far from the house, too.
Perfect. Let's settle on the hidden corner. That is our campsite.
Great. Now let's calculate the food. How many sandwiches do we need?
Don't worry, Dove. I have many snacks. We will not be hungry.
We're only going for one night, Liam. Don't overpack.
Okay, Dove. I am the chef today. Let's make the best sandwiches.
Great. I have the ingredients here. We have fresh bread, ham, and cheese.
I want a lot of ham and a lot of cheese. I am very hungry.
Wait, Liam. Don't forget the lettuce and tomatoes. We need vegetables to be healthy.
Fine. 1 leaf of lettuce for me. Can you spread the butter on the bread?
Sure. I will also add some mayonnaise. It tastes better.
Perfect. Now let's prepare the fruit. What do we have?
We have apples, grapes, and some berries. I will wash them first.
And I am preparing the drinks, cold water and orange juice.
Don't forget the napkins, Liam. Our hands will be messy.
Bread? Check. Fruit? Check. Drinks? Check. We are ready.
I can't wait for tomorrow. It will be a fun adventure.
Me too. But now let's go to sleep early. 5 a.m. comes fast. Look, Dove, I am a real explorer. I have my cargo pants and a dark green shirt.
You look like you are going to the jungle, Liam. It is just our backyard.
A professional always stays prepared. These pants have many pockets for my compass and knife.
Well, I want to look vintage. I am wearing this linen dress and my favorite hat.
A dress for camping? That is not practical, Dove. You can't climb trees in a dress.
I don't want to climb trees. I want to take beautiful photos and paint pictures.
But what if it gets cold at night? You need a jacket.
Don't worry. I have a warm cardigan in my bag, and I am wearing my brown boots.
Good. Boots are important for walking on the grass.
We also need sunglasses for the sun tomorrow. It will be very bright.
Done. Now we both look great.
Yes, an explorer and a vintage girl. We are a funny team.
Don't worry, Dove. I can carry everything. I am very strong.
Are you sure, Liam? You're walking like a turtle. That backpack looks huge.
It's not huge. It is just heavy. I have the tent, the food, and the water inside.
And you have your 5 bags of chips, too. Why are you wobbling?
I am not wobbling. I'm just checking the ground.
Liam, you are struggling. Your face is very red. Let me help you. I can carry the water bottles.
No, a real explorer never gives up.
Careful, you almost fell over.
Okay, maybe the bag is a bit too heavy. Just a little bit.
It's okay to ask for help, big brother. Even heroes need a break.
Fine, you take the water, but I am still the leader. Okay, Dove, I am tired. Let's put the tent here, under this big tree. The shade is very cool.
I don't think so, Liam. Look at the grass. It is not flat ground.
It looks flat to me.
No, it is a bit bumpy. If we sleep here, we will roll over in the night. Also, look over there.
What is it?
It's a huge ant hill. If we stay here, the ants will visit us for dinner.
Whoa, you're right. I don't want ants in my sleeping bag.
Look, over there, near the berry bushes. The ground is very flat.
Hey, you're right. It's perfect. It is flat and there are no ants.
And it is in the shade of the fence, so it won't be too hot in the morning.
Great job, little sister. This is our home for tonight.
Now the hard part begins. We have to build the tent.
Okay, Dove. I am the leader. I will set up the tent. It looks very easy.
Are you sure, Liam? Should I read the instructions for you?
No, I am a professional. I just need to put this pole here and this one there.
Liam? Why is that side so high and why is this side so low?
It's fine. It is a modern style. It is supposed to look like that.
I don't think so. The tent is starting to lean to the left. It looks like it is going to fall over.
Wait, let me check the instructions again. Oh, I am holding the map, not the tent guide.
Oh, Liam, no wonder the tent is leaning. Give me the poles. We can do it together.
Okay, little sister. You read and I will pull.
Step 1. Put the poles in a cross shape.
Like this?
Yes. Now it is straight. It is not leaning anymore.
See? I told you we could do it. Teamwork.
Wait, Liam, don't sit down yet. I want to take our first check-in photo.
Really, Dove? I am very tired and hungry.
Just 1 minute. Stand in front of the tent. That big tree is a beautiful background.
Okay. Is this good? Take it quickly.
No, you need to pose, Liam. Smile and make a V sign with your fingers.
Like this, Dove?
Almost. Move back a little bit. I want to see the blue sky in the picture.
Whoa! Be careful.
Done. Look, it is a great picture. This is a wonderful memory for us.
It's not bad. I look like a real explorer.
Yes, you do. Now you can rest.
Stay close, Dove. We are exploring the deep woods now.
It is so beautiful here, Liam. The air is very fresh.
Look, do you see those footprints on the ground? Maybe it is a big animal.
No, Liam. Those are just bird footprints. They are very small.
Anyway, we must stay on the path. Follow me.
Oh, wait. Look at these flowers. They are bright yellow.
Don't touch them. Some plants can make you itchy.
I know. I just want to take a picture. Listen, can you hear that?
Is it a bear?
No, it is a stream. There is a small river nearby.
A stream? Let's go. I want to jump over the rocks. Dove, look at this pretty flower. I will get it for you.
Wait, Liam. There is a bee on it. Don't touch it.
Don't worry. I am a professional explorer. Bees don't scare me. Shoo, shoo.
Liam, be careful.
Ouch! Ow, ow, ow!
What happened? Did it sting you?
Yes, the bee stung me. It hurts so much.
Oh no, it is a bit swollen. Sit down, big brother.
I was just trying to be a hero.
You are a hero, but a silly one. Put your thumb against this cold bottle. It is like a cold compress.
Thank you, Dove. Maybe I should stay away from the flowers.
Good idea. Let's go back to the tent and use the first aid kit.
I am happy to see our tent, Dove. My legs are tired and my thumb is still a bit sore.
Me too. Let's sit in the shade. It is much cooler here.
Finally. What is for lunch? I can eat a whole cow.
No cows today, Liam, but we have the sandwiches we made last night.
Oh, they look delicious. Bread, ham, cheese, and your favorite lettuce.
And here are the washed berries and some grapes. They are very fresh.
Everything tastes better when you are camping.
It's because we worked hard today. We explored the woods and survived a bee attack.
You are right. I am a brave explorer, and you are a great chef.
Cheers to our first camping lunch.
Cheers! Now, let's eat. I want to save some room for the snacks later.
Don't worry, Liam. We have plenty of food.
Okay, Dove. Let's paint the nature. I want to be a professional artist today.
Me too, Liam. This landscape is so peaceful. The trees, the flowers, and the blue sky.
Yes, and I am adding a giant bird. It will be the king of the woods.
Liam, is that the bird?
Yes, it is flying very high.
I don't think so. It is round and it has no wings. It looks exactly like a potato.
A potato? No, it is a modern art bird. You don't understand my artistic vision.
Oh, Liam, no wonder you are a funny artist. Look at my painting.
Wow, that is beautiful. You painted the stream and the tiny flowers. You are very talented.
Thank you. And you are very creative.
Fine. Maybe I should just be an explorer. But the potato bird is still the hero of my map. Shh. Be very quiet, Dove. I see something moving in that tall tree.
Is it a bird, Liam? What does it look like?
I am trying to observe it. It is small and very colorful. It has a bright red chest.
A red chest? Let me check the species. Is it a robin?
Here, take a look. It is sitting on the top branch.
Oh, wow. Yes, it is a robin. It is singing a beautiful song.
I see another one. It is blue and white. There are so many different species in our backyard.
It is so peaceful to observe them. They look so free and happy.
Look, one just landed near our fruit box. I think he wants a snack.
Maybe he likes your potato bird painting from earlier.
Very funny, Dove. Let's write their names in your book so we can remember them.
Great idea. Liam, are you still awake?
Yes, Dove. I am looking at the shadows on the tent. It's very peaceful.
Listen, do you hear that sound? It's coming from the grass.
Oh, those are the crickets. They're singing a song for us.
It's a beautiful sound of nature. I also hear the wind in the leaves. It sounds like a lullaby.
I am very tired now. My legs are not sore anymore. I feel so relaxed.
Me too. Today was a big adventure. We planned the trip, built the tent, and survived a bee sting.
And we saw the red bird. Don't forget my potato bird painting.
Good night, big brother. Sleep well.
Good night, Dove. See you in the morning.
I think I will have a deep sleep tonight. The air is so fresh.
Me too.